Hey guys, a Mumbai-based EV starter has come up with a newest vehicle that is known as PMV electric. It's a quadricycle, not a quad cycle, or technically it's a micro EV car. Technically, it will be the cheapest EV car in India. It will cost around 4 lakhs 80,000. The battery size of the PMV vehicle is not been revealed. The only thing we know that it's a 48 volt lithium ion battery. The micro EV will use 15A socket for charging. The range of the car is given about 120, 160 and 200 km claimed. It is said that the motor will produce 13 bhp and 50 Nm torque. The micro EV will reach 0 to 40 under 5 seconds and the top speed of the car will be around 70 km per hour. It will be a perfect rival for e-rickshaw and many other small EV cars. Now let us see how to perform in the Indian market. Please like and subscribe my channel.